Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by today to see what I am up to. And today I have one of my favorite boxes, and this is my Selfie box for September 2020. Love this box, and guess what? They stopped with the big heavy glue. I think maybe they saw enough of us struggling to get into the box. They used to have like a huge strips of glue on the side and on this upper lid. I couldn't get into it, and I watched many other YouTubers struggle. So thank you, Selfie box. And Selfie box and myself, we're still trying to get our ducks in a row so that we can do a little collab for all of you. And this is Fall in Love with Yourself, and this is the September box, like I said. Appreciate that they give a list of items with prices. Always appreciate that. Selfie box is $25 a month with free shipping, which is also a good thing. I'm sure I pay tax on it because Pennsylvania has tax. You get 4 to 5 unique products, value of at least $100. You can buy an individual box, I think, for $30 if they're still available. They've been selling out their boxes every month, so that might not be so easy to do, which is a good thing for Selfie box. I love their mission statement: self-empowerment, self-love, self-esteem, and self-care. All about that. And they use a lot, they send a lot of natural, vegan, and cruelty-free beauty and skincare items. Also something else that I love. And then this is what the inside of the box looks like. So I'm just going to grab the first item here. These little things drive my dog crazy. She will play with them if she catches them. So this is Dear Self Skincare. I Am Gleaming. This is Rosehip Sea Kelp Moisturizer. $35. It soothes, firms, and heals the skin with vitamin C, E, and A. Okay, if I could get in the box without destroying the box. I don't know if that's possible. Why am I struggling today? Okay. Today, last night here in, last night for me, which could be, you know, a week or so for you, because I pre-film and then schedule my videos. So this is what this box container looks like. It was so cold here. We were in the 40s. I was freezing last night. So it comes with one of those protecting lids. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh. Oh, that smells so nice. Put a little bit of that on my hand there. Love a good moisturizer. I have never tried this brand, so once again, excited to try it. Oh, that feels nice. Doesn't feel greasy. Light enough for your face. I do not like heavy moisturizers, heavy night creams. I've received so many great ones and had to give them away. I just cannot do it. And that scent is maybe a little bit strong for me when it comes to skincare. I wish they would remove the scent. I don't find it necessary. But that is not horrible. Like, it's not, sometimes rosehip can be very strong, so I'm glad that it's not. Oh, I am losing my voice. It's this weather. We have a product from Grace and Stella. I love Grace and Stella. And this is eyelash serum, and this is $19. Now, this is completely sealed, and I'm going to leave it sealed. I'm going to give this away only because I received, I'm trying to think if it was in the AIA Beauty Bundle from Manicadar. I think I have 2 of those, the eyelash serum, so I'll give this one away. I don't need, and I think I gave one of those away. I mean, you can only use so many, so I will give that away rather than open it. The moisturizer I'll keep. And then we have a product here, and this is from Hannah Lay Peach Pink Lip Treatment, $20. And this, does it say anything? No, it just says safety seal, which is nice. I appreciate that. Of course, that's going to mean I can't get into it. Let me see if I can break it. I have my scissors here. Let me get my scissors. Okay, how to get my scissors. I put them away. I had them out and then put them away. I didn't think I would need them for this box, but I can't, for some reason, can't get into these. I mean, I appreciate the safety seal, but I couldn't get into it. Oh, so this is a lip treatment. So this is what it looks like. Let's see. Yes, and it looks like that. Oh, that smells nice. I like that. I love when they have like that vanilla smell. Not really peach smell, but so that I will definitely keep. It's Did I tell you the price? I think I did. Half the time I forget. $20. That's a lot of money. So then the next item is a little tiny thing here, but let's see what this is. Peony Matcha BB Powder, $22. This is an all-in-one moisturizer, sunscreen, and foundation. Wow. That's a big promise for a little tiny... Oh, how cute is that? Look at the packaging. Now, I think I saw a spoiler for this, and it looks so much bigger. So, photos are deceiving. I have medium. I don't know how this is. Let me just open it over the box. And it has one of the little sifter pans, and it looks like there's a seal over it. No smell, no scent whatsoever. I mean, it's tiny, but to try it to see if that's something I would like, I will definitely try that. And let's see what else we have in here. Make sure we got everything right there. Let's get rid of this box off the table. I have to get a bigger table to work on. I have a small table, which sometimes can be not enough room, especially when you're trying to pull 5+ products out. Plus I have my calendar out. So this is from KAB Cosmetics, and this is Strawberry Shortcake Blush 'em Up. This has a $30 value, and I don't know. Blush palettes, I have not been keeping too many because they're pink tones, and I am not a pink tone blush person. I prefer like peaches and those tones. Let's see if I can get this out. No. Maybe if I open the other end too, and then I can force it out. Usually things come out easier one end versus the other. Same thing with palettes. They come right out. See, this is sliding out this end much easier. Let's see if you can get it out. Okay, so, you know, same packaging. Strawberry Shortcake. Well, it does have a mirror. It does have a safety shield. So I'll use the card to block. This is what this looks like right here. And yeah, these are just numbers. 319, 317, and 325. Does it give us any indicator as to what these are? Shade-wise? No. I probably will share this in a giveaway just because, like I said, I prefer peach tones, and they're not necessarily peach tones for me. So I'll give away the blush palette and the lash serum for sure, and I'll try the other products. So that's my Selfie box. So tell me what you all thought of this one. September 1. I think it's phenomenal, as always. Excuse me. I have yet to be disappointed in this box, in any product that's been in the box. Sometimes there's some of the others, you know, one or two of them, I'm like, I could have done without that, or I'll never use that. Technically, I could use all these products. I am keeping these 3, so that's a win for me. Keeping the moisturizer, the lip treatment, and this little foundation type powder. I would keep this. Grace and Stella is a phenomenal brand, but I have one, and I don't do stuff like this one with lashes every day. And I definitely will share this, but if I liked more the pink tones, I would be extremely happy with every single product in here. And I am happy with every product in here. I never keep everything from a box. I think 1 or 2 boxes. My Fenty Beauty from Boxy Premium, and I think one of my last boxes from, was it Boxy? Either Charm or Premium. I think I kept all of them for myself. Usually I take 2 or 3 for me, and then, or 2 or 3 for giveaway drawers. Like this set of drawers over here is all giveaway. And it's jammed. I have a box on the floor starting to fill up with product because I have no more room. My drawers are here and they're jammed. I'm going to be going through mine, and anything in there that still has 6+ months on it, maybe 8 months life, and I have not opened it, I'm going to move it over to these drawers and give it away. So September boxes are already packaged and full. I might be able to squeeze a few more things in there. Usually I'm good at Tetris, and then I'm even better at packaging some of these boxes sometimes. But the October boxes are going to be probably heavier on the skincare than the makeup, just so that I can get some of these products out of my home and into yours and let you use them. I don't want to see skincare go to waste. I don't want to see makeup go to waste either, but I wouldn't be as upset if the makeup had to be trashed, but I would be very upset if the skincare did. So would you join Selfie Box? Was this a box that you would get? I do have a code, and I do believe it's self-care where you can save yourself a few bucks. I think it's $5 off your box. And be on the lookout, hopefully before the, maybe October, November-ish, at least before the year ends, that myself and Selfie Box can finally get all our ducks in a row and do a collab together and bring that to all of you. I'm excited about that. And they've just been extremely busy. I think August and September were very busy months for them. I think they sold out their boxes, very, very busy. So I'm happy for them. So they just didn't want me to think that they forgot about me. They're just, we're still going back and forth, and that's fine. I don't have a problem with that. A good opportunity doesn't happen overnight. So be patient with me on that one. And I think this is a great box. If you can afford the $25, great box to get. Phenomenal products. You get a little bit of makeup, a little bit of skincare. So definitely worth the money. And this will definitely be over $100 worth of value. So I appreciate all you watching. I hope you're all having a great day. And I will see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.